Hi everyone, today in Fusion 360 Solve It tutorial we're gonna make the helical gear. The helical gear was shown in previous video but without narration. Today we're gonna narrate over how to make the helical gear in few simple steps. First of all, create a cylinder. Then we're gonna sketch circle over the cylinder surfaces, top and bottom. Okay, and a line. Trim that part. I don't need that part. Okay, it's not connected, so we're gonna connect it manually. Then trim this part. Start sketch. In the bottom, let's sketch another one on the bottom. Make sure the circles are matching. Okay. Gonna sketch another line. Start sketch. I'm gonna connect these 2 points by a line. Make sure that you are using the 3D sketch mode. And connect that part, this point, and this point, and it's okay. And then we're gonna project that line over the cylinder surface. Project the surface, choose the plane, choose the face, the curve, and along vector, choose that vector, and stop sketch. Okay, and then this part gonna use the extrude. With 2 directions, 2 sides. Extrude that one. And this one. Extrude this one. And extrude this one. Here's the most exciting part. I'm gonna create a sweep. Choose that sketch. Gonna choose path and guide surface. And choose this profile, this path, this guide surface. Gonna use a new body. And click OK. Remove that whole bodies. The sweep. It's okay. Now we're gonna make this body using the circular pattern of this body, using this axis. Make it like 15. 15 is okay. Make it like 20. 20 is very okay. And then modify, combine, and join. Just became a nice helical gear in a simple few steps, less than 5 minutes. Thank you for watching.